Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Photoshop and confirming it's the active application. Once open, make sure you can see the document window. If not, create a new file to bring UI elements into focus. Next, inspect the top of the app for any visible menu text. If menus are missing, don't panic. The next step is to use the View menu and workspace controls to restore the default interface, so keep the app active and follow along. Once Photoshop is active, open the window menu to access workspace options. Select Essentials, Default, to return common panels and layout. After selecting it, choose Reset Essentials to force Photoshop to rebuild the interface, which often brings back the menu bar. If that fails, press F to cycle full screen modes or press Shift-Tab to toggle panels. Sometimes a full screen mode hides the menu. Make sure you watch the top edge as you change modes. Menus should reappear. To finish, verify Edit menus if the bar is visible, but some items are gone. You can restore defaults there. Make sure to restart Photoshop after changes. Restart often clears transient UI glitches. If problems persist, reset preferences by closing Photoshop and relaunching while holding Alt plus Control plus Shift, Windows, or Option plus Command plus Shift, Mac OS, to rebuild settings. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.